Hello, my name is Angel. I'm the Collision Center Manager here at Toyota of Hollywood, here in Hollywood, Florida. I've been working in the collision industry for more than 15 years. Also, I've been here at Toyota of Hollywood for the last 3 years. I was doing research to find equipment for our new shop here at Toyota of Hollywood, which is certified by Toyota, and was trying to find the right equipment for our shop, and I came across Lombard Equipment. We contacted Lombard Equipment for our equipment needs, and they sent Joe over, which has been very helpful to our process. He helped us find the right equipment for our shop and also the right pricing. He also helped us look around the shop and look for the right spots to put the frame machine and everything else that we had. And also, he understood our needs as a Toyota Collision Center to be able to exceed in our ways of repairing vehicles and gave us the right equipment for that. Joe and Lombard Equipment has always been there for us. Every time I have called Joe, he has responded his phone call, weekend, weekdays, anytime that I've called him, I'll be able to get reach of him and be able to get him here to help us with the need that we have. As our experience with Lombard Equipment has been a great one, and all the promises that were told to us by them have been kept, the service has been there for us, we will continue to do business with Lombard Equipment.